Welcome everybody. We're going to compare and contrast the Box 500 versus the Box 250. Over on your right, which is my left, we've got the Box 500. Pretty self-explanatory. That can hold up to 500 people at your event. The Box 250 over here to your left and my right holds up to 250 people at your event. Keep in mind you can always order multiple boxes. For example, if you had 1,000 people at your event, you would simply order 2 Box 500s. The Box 500 can probably hold a little bit more in terms of attendance, but I'll let you make that decision. So again, let's do a comparison and look at devices. So over here on the left with the Box 500, we can hold up to 8 kiosks. Okay, whereas on the Box 250, we can hold 2 kiosks. So we've got we've got 6 bases here or stands, and then we've got 2 additional on the bottom. So there's 2 layers. So the Box 500 has a top layer and a bottom layer, whereas the Box 250 has 1 single layer. In terms of the handheld scanners, we've got 6 that we can store over here. Again, these handheld scanners are what your staff would use to check people in, check people out, process payment and tickets. And then over in the Box 250, we've got 4 handheld scanners. Both of the boxes will hold 1 router here. And then you've got these little slots here. So we've got 4 credit card terminals. We actually have 8 over here, so it depends on what you might need. Let's go ahead and remove the top layer on the Box 500. On the bottom, you can see that the Box 500 holds 4 name badge printers, whereas on the Box 250, we've got 1 name badge printer there. These, again, are the bases on your kiosk stands. And then we've got 8 iPads to match your total kiosks. In terms of badges, the Box 500 is going to hold about twice as many badges as the Box 250. And there you have it. There's a comparison between the Box 500 and the Box 250. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and we'd be happy to help match the appropriate box to your event. Thank you for watching.